Hey everybody, my name's Wayne. Welcome back to Stumper One. That's my YouTube channel you're watching. What's happening here? Dishwasher won't drain. Show you what's going on and show you how to fix it. There's our model number right here. Oh, let's get the light on it. There you go. It's a General Electric one. Now, what do we want to do? One screw, two screws, three, four. They're 1/4 inch drive. There's 4 of them. I'm going to put the camera down here and pop these screws out real quick. Quarter inch drive. One, two, three. Magnetic end. Don't worry about dropping them. They won't fall in because you have a big screen here. Take this screen, pop it up. There we go. Now we'll grab the camera again. Right there. Right there. You want to undo this. See how easy that is? There's 2 knobs on it here. You can just do that. Flip it around. Pop this out, and this is the problem for it not draining. Here's what's going on. Take a look in the center of that, and you see how it's not sealing at all? Move it around in there. That's how worn out this part is. You can see it from the bottom here as well. So you want to replace this part in your dishwasher, and it basically goes right back in the exact same way. You just put it in, you screw a new one back in, just like that. Just like that. Put your 4 screws back in. Again, 1/4 inch drive. If your dishwasher is not draining, get one of these. Go online, put your model number in. I'll shut off my light here, and you're good to go. Questions, leave them, comments, leave them. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.